I would say, rather than, again, the way to trade these things, I think Mark Cuban said it best. Take 2% of your net worth, something that you're not going to miss, God forbid it all goes south, buy Bitcoin, buy crypto, and just put it away. Don't even look at it. Don't look at it day to day. Don't look at the price. And I believe over time, I think you will see $1 million Bitcoin eventually.
How long, you think?
Pat, it depends.
Give me short term, give me long term.
So if the market stays good, maybe 10 years. If the market gets really bad, like if things start to get hairy, you'll know when the market is turning when there's a really good news story about a stock, Apple, Nvidia, somewhere, and it goes up a little bit and then it crashes afterwards. That means good news, bad action. That's the time when the market inflection happens. We've had a massive run up in the markets. It's due for correction. I think if the market does start to turn south, the stories will follow the market. They always do. From euphoria all the way up, on the way down, it's horrible. When that happens, I think you could see $1 million Bitcoin in 3 to 5 years.
In 3 to 5 years.
Yeah.
Tom, your thoughts?
I'm with that, and I'll give it to you right here. If midterms are not particularly good, and there's risk at 28 in 2028, and if we go back to a Democrat socialist president in 28, I think you could see $1 million Bitcoin by 2032. That's my estimate. 6 years.
Brandon.
Estimate or just consensus? I'm not going to lie. So I definitely see the future for crypto. I see the use cases for it. I think it's going to be really interesting to see what replaces the SWIFT system, because it's a really antiquated way that we trade money from country to country or person to person. So that needs to be replaced. But I can't help but be a little bit creeped out about Bitcoin because of the fact that we've never seen the creator of it before, and the creator's name literally means central intelligence. Satoshi Nakamoto means central intelligence, so that's a little bit weird. Maybe I'm just being paranoid, but I think the fact that BlackRock and everybody is adopting it shows that it could be legitimate. I think central banks will start putting on their reserves. And when that happens, then it'll be just like similar to cash. But I wonder what the winner is going to be in terms of like what's used for the global payment system. So whatever technology is best.
It may be none of that.